Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
After a massive fire at Notre Dame Cathedral, French President Emmanuel Macron has vowed to rebuild the medieval church. Firefighters managed to save the 850-year-old Gothic building's main stone structure, including its two towers, but the spire and roof collapsed. The fire was declared under control almost 9 hours after it started. The cause is not yet clear, but reports say it could be linked to extensive renovation works underway. Built in the 13th century, the medieval structure is considered a feat of architecture as much as a religious symbol. It is one of Paris's most popular attractions, drawing an estimated 13 million visitors a year. NYOOOZ Desk.